Good morning, students. Now, question number 5th. Diagonal AC and BD of a rectangle ABCD intersect each other at P. If angle ABD equals to 50 degree, find angle DPC. Okay, in this question, it is given that the quadrilateral ABCD rectangle A B C D is the rectangle and the diagonals bisect each other and the diagonals intersect each other at P. Then find the angle DPC. We have to find this angle. Okay, we have to find this angle. Suppose this is the P point, we have to find this angle DPC. We have to find this, and it is given that ABCD is a rectangle, so we use the property of rectangle. We have to find angle DPC equals to how much? We know that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. BD equals to AC. Okay, property of a rectangle. And the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other means जितना ये उतना ही ये, यानी कि BP equals to half of BD. Okay, BP equals to half of BD. Okay, now AC जितना ये उतना ही ये, because diagonal bisect each other, so AP equals to half of AC. This implies that AP equals to half of, we know that AC equals to BD, so half of BD. In place of AC we have to replace BD. Okay, so AP equals to BP. AP equals to BP. Now in triangle APB is isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, and in isosceles triangle opposite angle of a equal side is equal, the property of isosceles triangle. Then angle PAB equals to angle PBA, property of isosceles triangle. Okay, and the property of isosceles triangle, then this is a 50, this is also 50, angle PAB equals to 50, and this is the 50, this is also 50. Then sum of all interior angle of a triangle, angle APB, this angle plus this equals to 180 degrees. Sum of all interior angle of a triangle, 50 plus 50 100. Then angle APB equals to 180 minus 100. Then angle APB equals to 80, and we know that angle APB equals to angle DPC, vertically opposite angle. And they are a vertical opposite angle. Then angle DPC equals to angle APB equals to 80 degree. So this angle is 80 degree. Now question number 14, and the question number 14, in the given figure ABCD is a rhombus. In the given figure ABCD is a rhombus. A B C D is a rhombus, and AB is a equilateral triangle. ABE is a equilateral triangle, and angle BCD, CD is 78. Calculate angle ADE and angle BDE and angle BED. We have to find this angle. Now this figure is given. Now we have to find this. Calculate ADE. We have to find this angle. Now we know that ABCD is a rhombus, then the all side of a rhombus are equal. Okay, and ABE is a equilateral triangle, then all side of a equilateral triangle are equal. AB equals to AEE, EA equals to BE. So all sides are equal. Now we have to find the ADE. We know that opposite angle of a rhombus is equal, so this is equals to 78. Okay, in triangle EAD, this angle is 78 and this angle of equilateral triangle, we know that 60. So angle EAD equals to 78 plus 60, and 78 plus 60 equals to 138. Okay, this angle is 138, and we know that EAD is isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, then their opposite angle, this angle, and their opposite angle, this angle are equal. Let us suppose that this is the x, this is also x, then x plus 138 degree equals to 180, sum of all interior angle of a triangle. So 2x equals to 180 minus 138, and 180 minus 138 equals to 42. 2x equals to 42, so x equals to 42 upon 2, 21. So angle ADE equals to 21. Okay, now we have to find the another angle BDE. So we have to join here, and now we have to find this angle. Now how to find this angle? We know that adjacent angle sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is equals to 180, and rhombus is also a parallelogram, though adjacent sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So BCD, angle BCD plus angle CDE, this whole angle CDE equals to 180 degree. Then we have to find angle CDE equals to 180 minus BCD 78, and this is equals to 102. Okay, this whole angle is 102. Okay, and we know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect the vertex angle, so this one and this one is equal. Angle BDE, this angle equals to half of 102 angle, because the diagonal of a rhombus bisect the vertex angle. जितना ये होगा उतना ही ये होगा, सेम टू सेम प्रोसेस हियर, जितना ये होगा उतना ही होगा, because this is the diagonals of a rhombus A B C D. So this is equals to 51, this is equals to 51, and we know that x equals to 21. So angle BDE plus angle BDE means this, plus EDA means this, EDA ए इक्वल्स टू 51, क्योंकि जब इसको प्लस इसको मिलाएंगे तो इतना बनेगा. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 51. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड एंगल बी डी ई इक्वल्स टू 51. और ये एंगल हमें पता था, अभी निकाला था, कितना था, 21 माइनस 21. सो एंगल बी डी ई इक्वल्स टू 51 अपॉन 21. 51 माइनस 21, 30 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट B E D, B E D, and we know that this angle is angle of equilateral triangle, and this is equal to 60. Angle B E A equals to 60, and we have to find this one angle, and we know that angle B E D यानी this angle plus एंगल डी ई ए दिस एंगल, तो ये पूरा एंगल कितना हो जाएगा, 60 डिग्री, बिकॉज द एंगल ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. एंड वी नो दैट दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू एक्स की वैल्यू कितनी थी, 21. सो दिस इज आल्सो 21. सो एंगल बी ई डी इक्वल्स टू 60 माइनस 21, एंड 60 माइनस 21 इक्वल्स टू 39. So angle BED equals to 39. Now the next question, number 9th. The side of a rhombus are 5 centimeter. The side of a rhombus, question number 9th. The side of a rhombus are 5 centimeter. It is given. ठीक है, suppose ABCD and one diagonal is 8 centimeter. Suppose this is 8 centimeter. Okay, then find the another diagonal. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other 90 degree. It is given, suppose 8 centimeter. It is given in a question. One diagonal is 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter. So O bisect this 8 means AO equals to 4. Bisect means half equal part में. Then this is also equals to 4. Okay. Now we have to find the diagonals of other. Now we know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other 90 degree. This is a 90 degree. Now in triangle AOB is a right angle triangle, and 90 के अपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा, हाइपोटेनस. सपोज दिस वन ABCD, this is the diagonals bisect at O 90 degree. This is equals to 4. This is also 4, and it is given 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the distance of another diagonal. In previous class you learned this type of a question. So in triangle AOB is a right angle triangle, then the opposite side is a hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू बेस यानी 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर BO का स्क्वायर. ओके, एंड 25 16 plus BO square. So BO square equals to 25 minus 16 equals to 9. So taking square root both sides, so BO equals to 3. So this is equals to 3, and we know that diagonal bisect each other. So this one and this one are equals. This is 3, then this is also 3. So the diagonal, next diagonal, yeah, another diagonal which we have to find the length of another diagonal equals to BO plus OD, and BO plus OD equals to 3. BO plus OD, 3 plus 3 equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, now the next, find the area of rhombus. In this case, find the area of rhombus. We know that this rhombus is divided into a two triangle, this one and this one. So area of rhombus equals to area of, suppose this is the first triangle, area of triangle ABD, ABD ये वाला पोर्शन हो गया, प्लस एरिया ऑफ सेकेंड ट्राइंगल DBC, DBC. Now we know that area of ABD या area of triangle 1/2 base into perpendicular height in that triangle base 4 plus 4 3 plus 3 6 base equals to 6 and a perpendicular height 4. In this triangle we know that in triangle area equals to base, suppose A B C base into perpendicular height, तो ये हाइट पता होनी चाहिए हमको. In this case perpendicular height is this one, तो 1/2 base 4 plus 3 plus 3 A 6 यानी base into perpendicular height 4, okay, plus area of DBC again 1/2 base 3 plus 3 6 into perpendicular height 4. Now this is equals to 2 3 is 6 4 3 is 12 plus 2 3 is 6 4 3 is 12 plus 12 24 centimeter square is the area of a rhombus. Thank you.